Alright, this is an update video on the Bell & Howell Light Bar. The original batteries, which are these right here, have failed. These are two 4-volt SLA type batteries. And they have died. They don't hold the charge anymore. So, this is what I did. That's where the original batteries went. And then, that's where they connected. They started here. What I did is I took a piece of wire. I wired it in. It's right there. That's the plus. That's the minus, the power bank. And now I'm going to mount that right here. Alright, what I just did is wire in this power bank. The glue is drying now. And we have light. It's my Bell & Howell Light Bar. I'm not going to use this circuit right here. This is just for the switch. That was my original mod to charge it off DC. And that's the original board. That goes to the lights. So, yeah, it works. See right there. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. I will have to remove these things right here. I have to remove these things, but that'll be the last thing on, and then I'll close it up. But I will not do this in this video. What you've seen is how it's going to be. So thanks for watching.